Saturday and the sun is out. It is out today. It's a little chilly. So I have on this jacket instead of my winter jacket. It's like 55 degrees today. Going to my appointment, which is at 1 o'clock. But I want something to eat. I didn't get to eat anything. I think I'm gonna get a bacon, egg, and cheese. It's been a while since I had a bacon, egg, and cheese. And when I say a while, I mean years. Because I can't remember the last time I had one. So, I'm gonna go get a bacon, egg, and cheese. Oh, on a bagel or on a roll? I don't know. I should get it now. I think I might get it on a roll. It tastes good on a bagel too. You know what? When I get there, I'll decide. I don't know right now. Every morning I probably see this big ass dog. I can see him. That shit is huge. Hi, can I get a bacon, egg, and cheese on a roll? How much are these? I have a bacon, egg, and cheese. $4.25. Okay. Okay. The deli I just came from, and they got one over there. They have on every corner. So I have to eat this and see how it tastes. I mean, I know how it tastes, but just because it's been a while. But this is it. Let me show y'all. Open it. Try to open it on my hand. See if I'm skillful like that. Cut in two. This was $3. Bacon, egg, and cheese on a roll. I could tear this up. It still tastes the same. That last piece was everything. Woo, that should taste so good on the train.
You're disgusting.
Hey, we're across the street getting gas, right?
Oh, wow.
My man
This
came
is
in here
chicken.
last week.
Yummy.
He told you I wanted your stove.
Nice sauce.
You told him that you weren't going to give up the lease.
It's a good location for us.
Yeah, I know. It's a good location.
I come from this place before, like years ago. Years ago.
Easy to move packages in and out. I know it.
This whole neighborhood belongs to the East Side Crips.
Hey, put your chin up.
Just get my phone. Talk to him.
I like that, yeah. Don't fucking tell me I want to.
Hey, what's up, bud?
Oh yeah, I'm out.
How much what yours
I don't
is.
never be drinking this, but
Listen, you gonna go up against me, I'll kill you.
listen.
I'll kill you.
I'd rather take this
And
to a
everyone
fruit
close
punch.
to you. Tell him I shot your son.
Chicken. Everything. Pakai stick lang na.
God damn it!
Oh, that's spicy.
Debbie, you alright? Well, 911, they shot Kelvin. Who? They shot Dennis. Who shot Dennis?
Mike, you don't want to see this. First,
Who got the keys?
Jackson. I know. There was no evidence at the scene, but there was an eyewitness and he saw it. He was like 3 feet away from me.
Please tell me you fucked this up.
It's a slam dunk, even for him. It's done.
So fast, I'm taking over the case. Where are they? We're getting arrested.
He's already in the box.
Oh yeah, they had cassava fries. I was gonna try it, but it's just like 10 minutes. I'm like, I can't wait 10 minutes. I'm hungry right now. So I'm gonna go back there another day and try that fries. It was like $3 though.
Number 4, step forward and repeat the phrase. Number 4, please step forward.
Oh, all this came up to like $13. Oh yeah.
Good. Makes it easy for us. See you in a minute.
I'm full.
Hello, Jeremy. Thanks for waiting. Before
Bye.
Detective Sally gets here,
On your device at all points of your journey. For more information, visit Omni.